Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add or remove the admin password for the BIOS on a LENOVO Yoga Slim 7. First, to enter the BIOS menu itself, shut down your computer, turn it on, and while it's launching, repeatedly press the F2 key until you see the BIOS dashboard on your screen. Here, select Configuration on the sidebar. Or no, rather, Security. In the Security section, double-click Set Administrator Password, enter it in the first field, and confirm it by entering it in the second field. Press Enter and the administrator password will be set. To apply changes, press F10 and enter. After setting the administrator password, you'll also be able to turn on and set the power-on password for your device, as well as the user password. Eventually, you'll be able to set the hard disk password after adding the master password. Now, if you want to remove the admin password, double-click right here, enter your current password in the first field, and leave the second and third ones blank. Press Enter, and this way the administrator password will be removed, and that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.